In this video I'm gonna show you how to change the automatic synchronization time for your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and from here move to the settings. Now find syncing and updates, and from here make sure that automatic sync is enabled. So right now I'm gonna disable it and now enable it. So this one looks like this. Now move to the sync time and press on the night, which is default setting when you open your Kobo. And from here you can change it to night, morning, afternoon or evening. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.